Our next startup is TriprGenie.ai, and our founder is Preeti Suri.
Hanging in there, a few more to go. Hi, everyone. My name is Preeti Suri, and I am the founder of TriprGenie.ai. Previously, I built Adventure Tripper, a curated travel marketplace, which we grew to 2.2 million in GMV in 3 years. Now I'm taking everything that I've learned and tackling an equally big opportunity, which is scaling travel industry with AI. Here's the problem. The $200 billion tour, multi-day tour industry is still run on spreadsheets, PDFs, and personal WhatsApp threads. The tour operators are overwhelmed with post-booking tasks, such as collecting traveler preferences, coordinating vendors, or answering the same questions over and over. At Adventure Tripper, which is a TIE 50 awardee this year, we do not hand over customers right after the booking. We take care of the full post-sales experience, and that's where we felt how acute this pain and this problem was. In December alone, we added 3 more people to our ops team to keep up with the questions we received from the travelers. For an example, in a group trip, a traveler asks you questions like, what's a tipping culture? What do I do with flight changes? What is the weather like? And everybody in the group asks you the same questions. These come in via text, emails, WhatsApp, at any point in time in the day, and then multiply that with 100 trips. Or it also comes through everybody else in the group, and then multiply that with 100 trips, 1,000 travelers or more in a year. It's utter chaos. We're solving this with smart agents. The agents that have been trained on your trip data, on tour operator data, to be able to intelligently handle all these tasks. We're building the agents that will take care of trip-specific logistics, traveler preferences, and answer the questions with the trip context. It's a massive opportunity. Just the multi-day tour operators alone, there's 100,000 of them, and represent a $200 million SaaS opportunity only with the post-sales agent. We're gonna not stop there. Tour operators is just one aspect or one vertical of the travel industry. It's equally relevant to credit card companies or platforms. And the post-sales agent is just a wedge. We're gonna then build sales agents, trip upload agents. We wanna build an agentic AI layer for the travel ops globally. We built a prototype and tested it with 5 tour operators, 3 of who are ready to sign for paid pilots. We have felt this pain, and we have grown and scaled a profitable business leveraging technology due to limited resources. Nobody would fund Adventure Tripper during COVID, so we were forced to leverage technology. We want to use this technology to help scale others in the travel industry. We want to build the agentic infrastructure layer for the travel industry, and we want a strategic partnership to be able to build this. We know the pain faced by the tour operators, and most importantly, we know how to reach them. We already have access to the distribution through the 100+ suppliers of Adventure Tripper across 45 countries. Please help us scale service without having to scale headcount. Thank you.
Can you talk a little bit more about the target market of tour operators? Like, how fragmented is the market? How large are these? What are you targeting? And then how do you think about pricing and average contract value?
Yeah, absolutely. So it's a very fragmented market. But then through Adventure Tripper, we have a network of all the small operators, which is 100,000 plus. But we're also in conversations with big operators, big online travel agents like Make My Trip, the largest OTA in India, who have the same problem. They have a people unit of 500 folks solving for this. Capital One wants the same solution. So it's across the board. It's right from the smaller operators to the bigger players who face this problem. In terms of pricing, we've done the math, but this is where we need the guidance in terms of how to price this product really. But we were thinking, something to the extent of, for instance, we pay one operations person $1,000 a month. We hire our operations team in India and Africa, about $1,800, per. We were thinking of about 1,800. Well, it'll depend on volumes, but we still have to, think through how we want to price this, looking at how others are pricing agents as well.
Preeti, thank you so much.
Thank you.